This 2026 Prime Time LaCrosse 44 Park is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Jackson, Michigan, 49202 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Jackson. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Prime Time is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features a chocolate malt interior, sleeps 7, slide-out, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bunkhouse, front bath, loft, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.